Videoing.
Boy's like, I don't know any of these guys. They just sat with me.
You look like you were so embarrassed by us or something.
Is the red face, is that what's doing it? Is the red face doing it?
What, me?
The red face I got, is that what's doing it? Making me look like I'm embarrassed?
There you go.
I'm not embarrassed.
No, you just like.
What do you think of NBR?
What do I think of NBR? I think Louis Scott ran pretty good.
It's hot too, damn it.
I think that out of everything that was at Bama tonight, the most impressive car of all was Mike Williams. By far. By far. I had to spray his ass to beat him.
And HR. Yes, ma'am.
Are you videoing?
I got watercolor. This is Bailey's. This one right here.
Are you videoing?
Yeah, I'm videoing.
Yes. This one right here.
Where, motherfucker?
Hey, it's alright. We saw you get gang raped by like Nick, Michael Lee, and Matt at the same time.
What about,
wait,
what
wait,
about
wait.
that carb killer?
And not
Car
to
killer?
mention-
You like that? Wop, wop, wop.
It's old Greg.
Oh, wait, Caleb. And not to mention, you know, you showed your ass in public about 4 times.
Hey, the carb killer needs to come off the signature because that fucker got beat by half a second with me like wop, wop, wop the whole time.
Hold on. Let's talk to the honest roach.
Oh yeah, the honest roach. What happened to the carb killer? Were you there? What? You didn't see the carb killer? The whole track. Me. Whack, 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 whack. The whole track. I went down the track next to him, streetcar shootout. Me, Jake, side by side, just like this, right here. This is what it looked like.
When you giving the hit?
Wop, wop. Yeah, I gave him the hit, so it looked like this.
Just like right here, what's it?
And then it was like this. Wop, wop,
Hey, you went just
wop.
like, he just went
Ah,
like this.
screw it. We'll just embarrass him.
He just like this.
Don't you want a cobra?
Yes, I do. Not gonna lie, I want one.
Don't you hate your cams?
Yes.
You beat a Pro Charge GT.
I made him suck on my ass.
And there's Ghost Horse. There's that guy. I don't even know who he is.
Give it go, mama. One more old Greg.